global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today YouTube channel. The events coming from Rivers seem to be never ending, as the feud between Fubara and Wiki have taken a different dimension. As we speak, there seem to be undertaking moves and moves going on within the rank and file of PDP that is definitely taking a different tone in the litigation going on between Fubara-led assembly and the Wiki-led, that's Martin Amowale-led assembly. We're going to find out the moment as PDP have decided to come out and release a statement that would exonerate it. In fact, it's getting out of hand, I must say. Well, before we go to the news proper, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you say bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Now, according to the news, the attention of the national leadership of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, has been drawn to a purported appeal filed at the Court of Appeal. Now, that's Port Harcourt Division of the Appeal Court, with respect to suit number PHC/2177/CS/2024, wherein the PDP is purportedly or reportedly listed as an appellant. And for the avoidance of doubt, the PDP National Legal Advisor, Barrister Kalmadin Ajibade, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, SAN, has ascertained that the party did not file the said appeal, neither did it authorize any external solicitor to file same on its behalf. As such, the PDP cannot be listed as appellant in the appeal. The PDP states categorically that it did not file the said appeal at the Court of Appeal, Port Harcourt Division, challenging the order of the Rivers State High Court restraining the Chief Judge of Rivers State and the Clerk of the Rivers State House of Assembly from receiving or acting on any resolutions from certain individuals pending the determination of a case before it. And the PDP restates that only the National Legal Advisor of the party has the exclusive responsibility of conducting the litigation, prosecution, and defense of cases on behalf of the party, including its organs, chapter, and officials as expressly provided for in Section 42 of the PDP's Constitution as amended in 2017. Our party had, in a public notice published on January 17, 2023, notified the public that nobody, authority, office, or organ other than the National Legal Advisor has the competence to file or engage external solicitors to file or handle cases on behalf of the party, which engagement must also be in writing under the hand of the National Legal Advisor, specifying amongst other things the nature of the case and other terms and conditions of the engagement. The PDP therefore dissociates itself from the purported appeal filed at the Court of Appeal, Port Harcourt Division, in connection with suit number PHC/2177/CS/2024. Signed, Honorable Debo Olugunogba, National Publicity Secretary. Now, this is getting very interesting. A quick recap so we understand where this is heading from. Some weeks back, after the Federal High Court had given their own verdict concerning the Martin Amowale-led assembly, of course, Okojombo went in very quickly and filed a court as well, a notification appeal to Supreme Court also on that same matter. But while that was going on, Martin Amowale-led assembly held alongside while these other guys, Victor Jumbo, was holding their meeting as well, assembly, and mandated the governor, similar Fubara, to represent the budget and also represent the CTC chairman, that's the caretaker chairman, and also all other issues that have been done and filed and concluded by Victor Jumbo's led assembly. All of that led to Victor Jumbo to also, make a quick court of appeal restraining, of course, the clerk and the rest from receiving order from any other places other than their own. That's which is Victor Jumbo. So he restrained them from receiving any order from Martin Amawele led assembly in order to stop confusion. Now, what PDP national secretary, press secretary was saying or is saying is that there is a court of appeal right now where they have put PDP, that PDP is appealing to counter what was already been put in place by Victor Jumbo, stopping and restraining the clerk from receiving order from Martin Amawole, of which they never did. As in, of which PDP never did. So somebody is playing hanky-panky using PDP's name to counter or fight Okojumbo led assembly, making it look as if PDP is even against Okojumbo. And they had to come quickly and say they never filed it, they are not an applicant to it, and whoever that is in there, they should please, nobody is filing on behalf of them. My colleague is in the house. What's your take on this drama unfolding?
Well, the confusion in PDP is what is causing all of this. Don't forget that PDP has been kind of involved in so many issues of what I say, paying little or no attention to some of the breach in their constitution and all of that. For example, we know how many people have been involved in the issue of anti-party activity, and they are not responding to it. Fuba's case was there right in front of everybody, but even the other statement, none of them came up to speak up about it. None of them showed any care. It was just fairly recently we started hearing small bits of response from some of the stakeholders and all of that. So with that, since it seems as if PDP is owned by a particular personality, since it seems as if he's the one flipping them, in his fingers, anything can happen. We should be expecting more of this, you understand, except they wake up and start holding people responsible for their action, disciplining people when it is needful, to discipline people, and also giving the required support that is needed for those who are representing them, especially at the governorship level. If that is not done, we are going to see a repetition of this. But then, most people are already suspecting that this may likely be coming from the camp of Wiki and all of that. But that's just for me, that's allegation, you understand? But what I think must be done speedily by at least the National Working Committee at the national level is for them to summon a meeting, and try to trash out some of the things that are currently pending in the party, especially in Rivers State. And if they're serious about this issue, I think they should put it in writing, send it across to the court, appeal court, and tell them, hey, we are not in the know about this issue of appeal and all of that, so that it should show some level of seriousness. PDP is at the verge of decomposing. It has already, it's for me, PDP is dead, partially dead. It's decomposing gradually. And if nothing is done speedily, we will watch PDP go down. Now, look at what is going on in Edo State. They seem to be losing a grip of themselves. And this is because one person is there who is playing anti-party activities and nobody is even saying anything about it. And, I mean, it's going to get worse day after day. We are hopeful that at least at the national level, or let me say national convention, something reasonable will come up and they will put some very strong decision on some person so that they can correct all of this.
All right, that's very good. All right, let's go wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take? Do have it.
Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze,